Building web pages from scratch is one of the biggest bottlenecks in online business. You open a blank page and think about the layout. You eventually write your content, design the sections, and connect forms. This is time-consuming. To address this, HighLevel has introduced the AI Studio. Now you can build complete pages just by describing what you want. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how HighLevel AI Studio works. You'll see how to build pages using simple prompts, how to refine and customize them, and how to turn those pages into lead generation and booking systems. So, if you want to create funnels, websites, or landing pages faster, this is definitely something you need to understand. So, what is HighLevel AI Studio? AI Studio is a new AI-powered builder inside HighLevel. It allows you to create pages, funnels, and simple websites using natural language. Instead of starting with a blank canvas, you just describe what you want, and the system generates a working page with layout, content, and structure. Where can you find AI Studio? To access AI Studio, just go to Settings in your HighLevel account, open Labs, and enable AI Studio. Once it's enabled, you'll see AI Studio in the left sidebar. This is where all your AI-generated projects live. You can create new projects, open existing ones, or even clone, rename, or delete them. This becomes your central workspace for building pages with AI. So, here's how AI Studio works. The process is pretty simple. First, you kick things off with a prompt. You can type something like, build a landing page for a roofing company, or create a dental clinic website, make an appointment booking page, or build a lead capture funnel. Just describe what you want to build. You can start with a URL that the studio can clone, or you can upload images to help guide the design. Now, you do not need to start with the perfect prompt. If your request is a bit too broad, AI Studio will jump in and ask follow-up questions. For example, if you ask for a form, it might ask, do you want a contact form, a booking form, or a registration form? This really makes the process easier. You just have to choose the outcome you want. Once you submit your request, AI Studio gets to work and creates a complete first draft. This includes the page structure, the design and layout, all the content, and images if you need them. So, you are not starting from zero. You have a finished draft that you can tweak and customize any way you want. Editing with AI is straightforward. This is where AI Studio is powerful. You can edit your page by simply typing instructions. For example, you can change the headline, add testimonials, make the design more modern, add a booking section, or insert a contact form. The AI updates the page instantly, and so simplifies what can be a tedious manual process. One of the most powerful features is the ability to clone pages fast. You can clone any page using a URL or even a screenshot. This lets you rebuild existing pages much faster, take inspiration from other designs, or create similar pages for your clients. So, instead of copying everything manually, AI does it for you. Let's look at forms and lead capture. AI Studio can create forms directly on your page. These can be used for lead capture, contact requests, or registrations. An important point is that the form starts as a front-end layout. It is then connected to the CRM. Once connected, it can capture leads, create contacts, and trigger workflows. Next, let's look at calendar and appointment booking. AI Studio also helps you build booking pages. If you request an appointment page, it just creates the layout for you. Then, you select a calendar from your account to connect. This allows visitors to book appointments directly from the page. This is how the backend looks. The page resides inside the AI Studio. All data goes into your CRM, and form submissions and new leads are sent to your contacts page. Calendars connect to your scheduling system, while domains are managed separately. This approach keeps everything organized and scalable. Moving on to draft and publishing, you can preview your page at any time, which is super useful. When you're ready, you can connect a domain, publish the page, and then share it. If you make changes later, those updates stay in draft until you decide to publish again. This helps to protect your live version. What about building automations after submission? This again is easy in HighLevel. Once your form is connected, you can build automations. Just go to workflows. Use form submissions as the trigger. You can create automations, such as sending emails or SMS. You can assign leads, or even start follow-up sequences. This pretty much turns your page into a complete system. What are the best use cases for HighLevel AI Studio? AI Studio works best for lead generation pages, appointment booking pages, local business websites, campaign landing pages, fast first drafts for client projects, and for rebuilding or adapting existing page ideas. It makes all these faster. It is a major shift in how web pages are built. You are no longer designing everything manually. Instead, you describe what you want, and AI builds it. This saves time and simplifies the system. You can launch and test your ideas much faster. If you run an agency, this is a huge opportunity. You can build pages for clients faster, deliver results quicker, and scale your services. So, instead of spending hours on building systems, you can focus on strategy and results. The HighLevel AI Studio is a true game changer. It has aroused so much excitement in the HighLevel community. This is like having Claude or Lovable within HighLevel. If you are not using HighLevel yet, you can start with a 30-day free trial through the link in the description. That is double the standard 14-day trial. Get your account, test AI Studio, and build your first page. Once you see how fast this works, you really will not want to go back. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos on AI, automation, and building an online income with AI. Check the description to get started, and I will see you in the next video.